Class 12 Mathematics Exercise 5.6 Question number 1 is fx is equal to square root 4 minus x square, where x belongs to open interval minus 2 comma 2. We have to find f dash x is equal to what? F dash will be differentiation of 4 minus x square. This implies that f dash x is equal to, by the formula of x to power n x to power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. But 4 minus x square is not n, so d by dx is again 4 minus x square. This implies that 1 upon 2, 4 minus x square power 1 upon 2 in negative, and this will be 0 minus 2x. This implies that minus 2x upon 2, 4 minus x square power 1 upon 2. 2 cancel, minus x upon square root 4 minus x square. This is the final answer. Next question is question 2 part 2nd. If fx is equal to, in bracket, 3x square minus 9x plus 5 the whole 9, find f dash x. Then f dash x is equal to d by dx 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 9. By the formula of x to power n, this will be 9 into 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 9 minus 1 into d by dx 3x square minus 9x plus 5. This is equal to 9 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 8 into, in the bracket, d by dx of 3x square will be 6x minus 9x will be 9 and 5 will be 0. This implies that here is common 3 9s are 27 and 3 2s are means 2x minus 3, and this bracket will be the 3x square minus 9x plus 5 power 8. This is answer. Next question is 6 second. Y is equal to sin in the bracket cos bracket x square. We have to find the differentiation of this function. So differentiating with respect to x, this implies that dy by dx is equal to d by dx, and in the bracket sin bracket cos bracket x square. This implies that dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x. Sin x is cos x, so cos in the bracket cos bracket x square into d by dx, by the chain rule d by dx will be cos in the bracket x square. This implies that dy by dx is equal to cos x square into d by dx of cos x. Cos x is minus sin x square into d by dx of x square, again by the same rule. So this implies that dy by dx is equal to cos bracket cos x square. This minus will be shift here into sin x square into 2x. Hence final answer will be dy by dx is equal to minus 2x cos x square into sine x square. Next question is question number 11, part number first. Y is equal to sine root x plus cos square root x. Differentiating with respect to x. This implies that dy by dx is equal to dy dx of sine root x plus dy dx of cos square root x. This implies that dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sin x is cos x, so it will be cos root x. Also here x is not x, it is root x, so differentiate again root x plus differentiation of x की power n. Differentiation of x की power n is n into x की power n minus 1, so it will be 2 minus 1 into differentiation of cos root x. This will be equal to cos root x. Here is the formula. Differentiation of root x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. So here will be 1 upon 2 root x plus 2 cos root x. 2 cos root is power is 1, means 2 cos root x into cos x is minus sin x, so minus root x. Again the differentiation of dy by dx of root x. This implies that dy by dx is equal to cos root x upon 2 root x plus and minus 2 cos root x into sin root x into differentiation of 1 upon 2 root x upon 2 root x. 2 cancel. This implies that dy by dx is equal to cos root x upon 2 root x minus cos root x sin root x upon root x. This is the answer. Next question is question number 15. If fx is equal to square root sec x minus 1 upon sec x plus 1, find the value of f dash x and f dash pi by 3. So firstly we will simplify the given function as change sec x into cos x. This will be 1 upon cos x minus 1 upon 1 upon cos x plus 1. This implies that take LCM cos x 1 minus cos x upon also LCM is cos x. This will be 1 plus cos x. Cos x is cancelled, so fx will be square root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. We have the formula to cancel the 1. This will be in the bracket 1 minus 2 sine square x upon 2 and also 2 cos square x upon 2 minus 1. Open the bracket. Fx will be After opening, fx will be 2 sine square x upon 2 upon 2 cos square x upon 2. This will reduce, and also this will be sin x upon 2 upon cos x upon 2. This implies that tan x by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, then f dash x will be the differentiation of tan x. Tan x is sec square x, again the differentiation of x upon 2. This will be 1 upon 2. So f dash x is equal to sec square x upon 2 upon 2. This is the answer. Now for second part, since f dash x is equal to 1 by 2 sec square x by 2, so f dash pi by 3 will be 1 upon 2 sec square pi by 3 into 2, means 1 upon 2 sec pi by 6 whole of square. This implies that f dash pi by 3 will be 1 upon 2 sec pi by 6 is 2 by root 3. This square, this step will be 1 upon 2 into 4 upon 3. 2 by 2 divide. So final answer of f dash pi by 3 will be 2 by 3. Next question is question number 19. Y is equal to cos x modulus. Is it differentiable? Yes. Yes, it is differentiable. So differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to, formula is using here, d by dx of modulus x is equal to x upon modulus x. So it will be cos x upon modulus of cos x, modulus of cos x into d by dx of cos x. This will be cos x upon modulus cos x into minus sin x is equal to minus sin x cos x upon modulus cos x. Next is, what is the answer? Next is y is equal to cos mod x. This implies that y is equal to cos x. Yes, it is also differentiable. Then dy by dx is equal to cos x is dy by dx of cos x is minus sin x. dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Another answer.